Hi BYF fam! So today magkakaroon tayo ng sale sa mga selected na Jordan 1 lows natin. Jordan 1 low, triple white. From 9,000 to 7,000. Next is Jordan 1 low Concord from 11,000 to 9,000. Next is Jordan 1 low Coral Bleach from 12,000 to 10,000. Next is Jordan 1 low Reverse Ice Blue from 12,000 to 10,000. Next is Jordan 1 low Bread Toe from 11,500 to 9,500. So yung limang pairs na yon ay example lang ng mga sale namin dito sa Pumper Fit. So kung gusto nyo pa makita yung iba naming mga pairs na on sale, visit us at J. Rich Corporate Center, 2nd floor, 16 Santo Domingo Avenue, Quezon City. And don't forget na i-like yung mga pages natin para lagi kayong updated. So see you, PYF fam!